is Charlene from the Crafty Art Shack. Today we're going to be making ink daubers, and we're going to use 3 different methods. So let's get this show started. Okay everybody, what you're going to need for this is you're going to need some felt pads from the Dollar Tree. These are found in the tool section. Then you're going to need some Velcro dots. These are found in the craft section. And then you're going to need some Aliens tacky glue. This is also found in the craft section. All of these are free. Then you're going to need to have some wine so you can get a cork. And then you need a stapler.
Okay, so I've got my Velcro dots out and my pads out. Okay, we're going to tear off one of these little pads, and they are already sticky on the back. You just peel that little sticker off. But because they don't stay stuck to this very well, and you can use whichever size you want. You can go up to the big ones or you can stay with the small one. I use the small one because it's about the size of my cork, and I have used bigger ones. You'll see what I'm talking about in a minute. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the fuzzy side and stick it to the back of this felt pad. And when you put those two glued sections together, like the back of the dot, the Velcro dot, and that, it stays stuck to that. So you're going to put that aside. Then you're going to grab the rough side of
Velcro, and you're going to put it down on there, and it's sticky. Now you can leave it just like this and put it on there, but I like to make sure that it stays stuck. So what I do is I go ahead, because after stamping with these for a while, they'll come off. So
I put a little dab of Aliens glue down, and then I stick it back on there. Now, because I want to make sure that it stays on there really good, I'm going to take my stapler and open it up, put it on here, and push down. Okay, and now that is adhered to the cork. You're going to take your felt pad and put it on here. And now another reason why I do these like this is because then I can change these out, just like you can if you're using these type of daubers. They have the Velcro on them. Okay, so now that's
one method of making these, and then you can take and stick it in your ink and dab it and move it around on there. I like to make sure, I'm OCD, so I like mine centered on there, and then you just daub around with it. That's the first method. Okay, the second method, hey, we're going to try this again. We're going to take a little cork from our wine we had last night. Obviously, this is affecting the video. Having the wine last night. Okay, we're going to take and put a little dab
of Aliens glue, tacky glue, on here. And then we're going to take and put the rough side. You want the rough side of your Velcro dot, and you're going to place it down on your cork. And then you're going to take your stapler, staple right in the center of that, and then run your finger around. Make sure you clean up all the alien glue that's left over sticking out. And then you have that part. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to cut your makeup sponge in half. And then I take the thick side of it and I level it off, because that's just me. And then I'm going to take and put the fuzzy side down on this, but I need to add some Aliens glue right to the center of that. And then we're going to take and press our fuzzy Velcro right down on that. And then once it's dry, we're going to take and stick it to this, just like that. And now you've got an ink dauber. I'm going to go ahead and pull this off now because I want this to finish drying, but I wanted to show you what it looks like. It looks like one of these that I've already completed, where you can just take it on and off, and your fuzzy
side stays over here. On to the next one.
Okay, now for this next method, you're going to need these little Ranger foam pads, which these came with my little dauber that I got. And then you're going to need some more wine so you can have your cork. And then you're going to need your little Velcro pieces, and you're going to need some Aleene's glue and your stapler. So let's get started on this one. We're going to take the fuzzy, not the fuzzy side, the rough side, and we're going to stick it down on our cork after we put some Aleene's glue down. Let's see if we can get it out now. I guess I should make me a thing that sits on my desk that holds this down so that y'all can have to wait on me to get the glue out. Okay, and then you're going to take and stick this down on there too. And you want to make sure that you get all that excess off, because you don't want that drying on the back of your pad. And my fingers are dirty again. But I'm prepared today to get my baby wipe. Okay, and then you're going to take your stapler, open it up, and you're going to press down. And then you're going to want to make sure that you clean up that extra glue off of that, because you don't want it to get on your pad that you're fixing to put on there. And then, because these are designed with a piece of fabric, type of fabric that it sticks to this on here, you don't have to take this and put another piece on the back of it. It just sticks right on there just like that. Okay, and then you got another ink dauber.
Hi y'all, it's Charlene from the Crafty Art Shack. We're here today again. We're making, really? Let's get this show started. Okay guys, for the next method, you're going to need Aleene's tacky glue, your stapler, your wine cork, because you have another bottle of wine, and you're going 3. Oh my gosh, can we get this right? Take 3. Oh my gosh, can we get this right this time? Okay guys, for the next video, pivot, and then you're going to need to have some wine so you can have the cork from the wine bottle. Come out now. And voila, we have an ink dauber. Okay guys, this is the end of the video, and we want to thank you again for watching our videos here on the Crafty Art Shack and how to make ink daubers 3 different ways. Hope that I've given you guys some valuable information to help you in your junk journaling journeys.